Waiting for the train.
Hi, my name is Nikka and I'm a clay artist. I made this trinket dish many months ago, but a client only wants the bunny. However, I can't sell it separately because that would leave the cat without its pair. So I decided to make a new one just for her, this time using polymer clay, since the original was made using air dry clay. This is my first commission this year using polymer clay. In this video, I will give you a glimpse of how I made him. As always, I'll start by cleaning my workspace and tools. I also still have some air dry clay on my table, so I need to stir it first. The brand of polymer clay I'm using is Alto, but the clay in this batch is really soft and sticky. It is also not quite white enough for me, so I did some research and found out that I can mix in titanium dioxide, which is safe to use and is actually the same colorant used in white polymer clay. This solves my issue with the color, but the clay is still too soft for my liking. I still need to mix it with some firm translucent clay to improve the texture. However, mixing powdered colorant into polymer clay takes a lot of time, and it is very messy. But for me, it's worth it because Alto is cheaper than other brands, and I can make it just as white or even whiter than more expensive brands. Even though time is very important to me, if I can't afford the more expensive brands yet, well, not use this one and make it work. And in terms of durability, this brand is just the same as others. Here I'm just making the body first and then I'll bake it along with the head and the tail. After baking, I'll add the other parts. Pre-baking the body is necessary so I can hold it without worrying about squishing or deforming it. Since I bake the body, I'll need to attach the other parts using bakeable adhesive. I put aluminum foil inside the head and the hat to make them lighter. Sorry if I didn't show the entire process. This is a commission and I really wanted to stay focused on it. I mostly cook for my family. This dish is called tinola. It's made with chicken, sayote or unripe papaya, and chili leaves. I made this piece larger. It is about 3 inches in height. Here's the painted face. I'm really proud of how it turned out. I think it looks adorable. What do you think? This bunny is inspired by Lini, a great magician, a character from Genshin Impact. Now let's pack him up. I don't have much at the moment like stickers or fancy packaging, but I always make sure to include a freebie charm with every purchase. He's heading off to Canada all the way from Philippines. Thank you so much for watching.